Hey, it's Tyler with the Appel shop. I'm here to show you how to put together a coffee table with shelves. I've put off doing this because I wanted to do it nice and professional, but instead I'm just doing it on my iPhone at my retail store. There's people outside. Hopefully it will all make sense and not look too unprofessional. Okay, I'm saying this at the end because I forgot to say it at the beginning. Probably the most important thing when you're putting any of our tables together is to put it upside down on a non-marring surface. That means a rug, carpet, a towel, a blanket, a couch. You could put it, if it's a smaller table, you could put a blanket on top of another table and put it on there. If it's a bigger table, you probably don't want to do that because you don't want to scratch up the surface. When two hard things go together and there's a little bit of grit under there, it will really can mess it up. All right, so coffee table with a shelf has supports that go between the legs. Here they are. So each leg has a hole in it, and the hole can only go a specific way. So this one is actually already in the perfect spot. You'll notice the hole is right there. If I put it here, the hole is facing this way. That's not what I want. Here, it works. Here, it doesn't work. Because here the hole is facing that way, the hole is facing that way. Cool. Now, I'm gonna put these in just by hand, and I'm gonna do them lightly. I'm not gonna tighten them just yet. Also, you put the washer on the bolt. By the way, this is how you do a table without a shelf. You just do it like this and flip it over. But this is a table with a shelf. So. All right, next thing is this has little rubber bumps on it. You might not be able to see it, but right there is a line that we drew on there. That line means it goes towards the inside of the table. However, you might have gotten a table where we didn't do that because I only just started doing that. So the other way to see it is this thing is called a domino, and it's slightly closer to this side. So the one that has less space goes that way. Hopefully that makes sense. Like it's a little bit thinner there than it is here. So that means it goes towards the inside of the table. So not this way. And if it was this one, because again, inside of the table, thinner, it would go this way, not this way. It actually isn't that big a deal if you do it wrong, but you might have to take it apart and that'd be annoying. So these bumps are what the shelf actually sits on, so they go towards the table. So you won't see the bumps once you're putting it on. Now I'm putting that there. I'm gonna find the other leg that goes here. Just so happens I picked that up, but if I would have picked up one of these legs, it does not, see there's no hole there, can't go there. So again, this is loosely on here, this leg, it's not tightened yet. Now I'm gonna put this in there. It's on, and now I'm gonna do these. Okay, now that I finished hand tightening them, I'm gonna take the Allen wrench and tighten it up. It's just nice to hand tighten them first because you don't have a lot of room to move this around in here, so it saves some frustration. Okay, that side's done, so now we're gonna go to the other side. Again, hole here, so if I put it here, facing the wrong way. That one goes here. Loosely fix it on there. Now, just a reminder, there's a little mark on there. The mark goes towards the inside of the table, and the bumps go towards the table. Mark towards the inside, bumps down here. Or if we forgot, it's the thinner one. That's thinner. Thinner goes towards the inside of the table. Put that in there. Sometimes you might need to hit it, hopefully not too hard. Okay, now that it's done, we can flip it over. All right, there's a table without a shelf. Now the shelf goes on like this. Try not to hang up your legs too much. And you need to lift it up over there. And you fit it on there. And it sits good. And there it is. Table with the shelf. It's ready to go.